Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to digitally sign on documents on your phone. Alright, so quickly use this application which is called Signature on Docs and Photos. So if you don't have it, just come to Play Store and then come on Play Store over here, just search for Document Signer. This application will pop up first. As you can see, it's rated 4.6, meaning it's relatively good. Alright, so quickly come and open it. And then once you open it, make sure to give permission to access your storage. So quickly I'll just close that. We're using a free plan for this case. Okay, then for this case you can choose the signature you want. Let me choose a manual signature. So for the case of the manual signature, you can choose to write it. So quickly, that will be my signature. Then after that, I'll just tap on save. So as I'm saving, it's playing ads. Guys, you have to be patient with me. Actually, you have to be patient with the app because it plays ads. Right, so after saving it, I'll just put the name. I'll put it FGG. Okay, so quickly I'll open up a document over here. The document I want to sign on to, I'll choose this document here. Okay, now to sign on this document, I'll just tap on add signature. Then I'll choose from signature collection. Then I'll just tap on this plus icon. Okay, now it has rotated the screen. Just tap on that and then make your signature and then tap on the tick. So once I type on the tick, it will then put my signature in the document. But as I said, guys, this is a free plan and the free plan is loading a lot of apps. So you have to be patient with the apps because you have not subscribed to the paid version. Alright, so quickly it has done that and then we are choosing that signature. And boom, guys, as you can see, the signature is right here. You can even adjust it if you want. And simply that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet once again.